my hope is that over time people will actually start to see this event as something that's not, it's not an Altium event, it's their event.
Right.
And that's the spirit behind it, frankly, is that, you know, we the same as with, you know, products and solving these problems and everything, we can't, there's no way that Altium can do it on its own, or any one company could do it on its own. We have to do it as a community, so I see AltiumLive as a community, and I hope it grows, and I hope that the control of the agenda and the content and all of that kind of stuff stays with the users, the designers, and the people in the industry who are actually doing the work.
Yes.
That's my vision for it.
Yes.
That it's not us, and it's not about our software,
Right.
but it's really just about us using the fact that we have lots of customers and users and so forth as a way to, you know, using our position to help bring them together.